Hey everyone! Today's recipe, juicy steak with an amazing orange sauce. Star of the show, the sauce. Let's make it. First, let's get that steak sizzling. Grab a beef steak, heat a pan over medium-high heat, and throw that steak in. Fry on each side for a few minutes until cooked to your liking. Don't forget to sprinkle it with salt and pepper for a flavor boost. As the steak sizzles, the intoxicating aroma of seared meat fills the air, making your mouth water in anticipation. Now, the star of the show, the orange sauce. First, grab half an orange, zest it, then juice it. Now combine the vibrant orange juice, the fragrant zest, and a kick of American mustard. In goes a touch of honey for sweetness. Stir it all together. Next, we'll add the garlicky goodness, both the dried garlic powder and the grated fresh cloves. Stir that in. Then introduce a splash of Worcestershire sauce for a deep, savory note. Finally, let's bring in the aromatic party. Finely chopped rosemary, parsley greens, and thyme will add a beautiful freshness. To tie it all together, we'll whisk in melted butter and flavorful olive oil, creating an unbeatable sauce. Now the magic of flavor begins. We cut the steak against the grain into thin slices, revealing its juicy tenderness. Then, we generously pour all this delicious sauce over the steak. Imagine the vibrant orange glaze coating the meat, infused with the citrusy zest, savory herbs, and a hint of sweetness. This sauce will elevate your steak to exorbitant heights, a flavor explosion in every bite. I highly recommend you try this recipe. You won't be disappointed. Like this video and subscribe for more.